Hello everyone, my name is Sandhya, and you know what? Today I was thinking that about how I can improve my English and my fluency and consistency. So that's why I have decided today that I should take a 15-day challenge so that I improve my speaking skill. So I don't know what how it's gone. So but yeah, I have decided, and today is the day one of this 15-day challenge. And you know what? In this challenge, I am deciding that I try to add at least 2 3 new words in my uh, English speaking, and I continuously at least 5 to 10. I try to at least 5 to 10 minutes continuous speaking in front of camera. So, and the purpose of this challenge is uh, I have to learn so many vocabulary, and it also helps those who learn this language, and they can also join with me and take this challenge and learn more vocabulary with me. Okay, so the today's I will start with my difficult words. Okay, so new vocabulary words today is exhausted and protective, and third is organized. So before I speaking, I try to explain what's the meaning of productive and exhausted and organized. Okay, so productive means जब आप बहुत ज़्यादा काम करें, and exhausted means tired, and organized जब आप किसी चीज़ को एक अरेंज करके चले. Okay, so I hope you got it, and now I start my challenge. Hope so. So I start with my first day. Like I wake up early in the morning. After that, I clean the floor, mop the floor, and sweep the floor. After that, I take a bath and I bake. I prepared breakfast for my family. After that, I feel that this is I have to done so many works. So I organized my all the work throughout a day, and I also feel that if I organize my all the day now, it feels stressful, and we don't feel I have too much burden, and I try to always that my all work should be done on time. So that's the first reason, and after that I try to I gave to my both son milk and snacks. Then I clean the kitchen. I washed so many clothes. After that, I have feel that the day my day is very productive. After when my husband is went to his office, then I prepare lunch for my both son. Then always try to when my both son keep sleeping, I try to practice on my English journey. So sometimes I watch podcast and I try to record a video and I learn some vocabulary words, and have so many WhatsApp groups. So I try to join there always. So after that in afternoon sometimes I feel exhausted because I have done so many works. So that's the reason. And after then around 4 p.m. my both son wake up. I gave them some milk and snacks. I spent some times with my both son. Around 6:30 I try to uh, after with playing with them. After that I prepare dinner for my family. After that I try to clean the kitchen, and I am thinking that I should I consistent my daily English journey or not. If I break my consistency, I try to when I have a time when my husband not come to at home. So I try to that time I should have to learn at least 2 3 word every day. And when my husband came back from his office, I gave him chapatis and dinner. After that, I take my dinner and clean the kitchen. I goes to the bed and remember my words also. So this is the day, and my day is very productive actually. And yeah, this is a routine of my day. When after I have lots of work done, I feel very happy because I done my all tasks on time, so that's why I'm so happy. And yeah, I also feel and I believe that like efforts, small efforts can make a big achievements. So that's the, and you know what's the reason of behind learning this language? Because of my both son. Because I am always thinking that when they goes to school, and nowadays demand, every school demands that when I goes to PTM and attend a PTM meeting. So I am always thinking that how I can speak in front of a teacher. So I can understand English language, and I read, write always, but I'm afraid to speak in front of a people. So that's why I overcome this fear. I try to overcome this fear, and I hope so one day I will break my this fear and achieve to my speaking fluency. And yeah, nowadays I continue my consistency, and I feel that yeah, it is very important. If you done your frequency, if you done your consistency, that automatically you speak very well. Before, I am afraid to in front of people to connect with them, to I always thinking about my grammar actually. So this is the special uh, point, that you don't think about the grammar mistakes, you don't think about the vocabulary, you just speak what comes in your mouth. If you think about that, you will stuck. Okay, so I hope that this video is work for you. And second thing, if you also want to improve your vocabulary, so join this challenge with me, 15-day challenge. And second thing, that I try to always speak at least 5 6 minutes, 10 minutes, because I have to get, and it is managing house chores and lots of work. And I have only time when both son sleep. So I try to uh, record every day for myself and for my consistency. So thanks for watching, and we will meet